What's up? It's Chris from Stonefox Media, and I hope everyone's having a blessed day. Now, I have a tech review for you guys. Actually, two, because they were kind enough to send me their second product. The first one they sent me was a Miccus RTX 2.0. Now, this is a long-range Bluetooth transmitter or receiver. So, if you have a device that's like a Bluetooth headset or a cell phone, this will actually extend your range to 160 feet. Now, this is aptX low latency, so you have your normal devices which actually have a down degrading signal of about 2 to 4 seconds. This basically reduces that to zero. That is huge. That is huge. There's no breaking up of the signal. Now, I like this product so much, and when I told them that, they were like, well, we're sending you our brand new product too. We also have a brand new set of headphones. Now, these are the brand new SR71 stealth headphones. Now, these have a range of about 33 feet, so when you combine that with the 160 feet, yeah, you got yourself some pretty long range. Now, if you want to know how long, say, 100 feet is, walk outside and follow your fence. That's usually about 100 linear feet. So when you combine that with this, you can basically double that. This is a huge amount of range. I was very impressed with both of these devices. They both use Bluetooth 4.2. So that is huge. I think one of the latest ones that came out is like 4.5, but or Bluetooth 5.0, but I haven't seen any devices outside of a few random Samsung telephones that maybe have that. So this is the latest and greatest technology right here. Now, this is aptX low latency. So remember, there's not going to be any lag, any delay whenever you hear stuff from the TV or wherever you're playing it from your cell phone. No lag at all. That is huge. So I'm going to do an unboxing and actually give you guys some demonstrations to let you guys know how I feel about it. So the Miccus RTX 2.0 and the SR71 Stealth headphones are their latest and greatest products. Now, starting out with the Home RTX 2.0. Now, this is a really fantastic product. It can transmit through walls, behind walls, upstairs, downstairs, around corners, even outside. You don't get interrupted with any lag or anything like that. So when you unbox it, you can see that it's very well protected. I mean, it's got a nice little felt cover, and it also has a plastic protecting it from, getting damaged by any, shipping or anything like that. It has a really cool rubberized coating, and when you look on the front, you can see 1 to 2 channels. You also have an optical and a 3.5 millimeter to let you know which one you are using. Now, this is really cool because it can connect more than one headset, so you can connect 2 items to it at the exact same time. So you have 2 headsets. You can connect 2 stealth headsets together. Now, when you look on the back, you can see that you can transmit to the speakers. You can transmit out through optical. You can use optical from TV and out as well. So it goes in both directions, transmitting and receiving. So on the inside, you're going to see a bunch of really cool products. Of course, they're going to give you every cable that you need inside of it to get started. Okay, you're going to get the antenna. You're going to get the optical cable, the 3.5 millimeter cable, the USB power cable. You're also going to get the user manual, and you're going to get the RCA cable. But this right here is just a connector for the power that you can use via USB. So yeah, when you take everything out, there's not a whole lot to it because it doesn't really require that much. Now, the instructions are super simple. I didn't really need to use them because I basically already knew what it could do because I really did want one. Now, looking at it with the connector, with the antenna connected, you can see it doesn't take up a whole lot of space, and it does allow you to swivel this any direction that you want. Now, when it comes to the actual headsets, now the stealth headsets are really sharp. Now, these units right here do have a range of up to 33 feet. When you look on the inside, it's very well protected. They give you this really cool traveling case. It does come with every cable that you're going to need in that one. It's going to come with the 3.5 millimeter cables, the user manual, the USB charging cable, hard travel case, and the actual headset unit itself. So this unit right here folds flat for easy storage, but down here you can see where the real options come to. Now, this is where you would charge it because it has its own internal battery, so you don't have to change that out with anything. But over here on the right, you can see where you can hook up the 3.5 millimeter cable to use it as you would any other plug-in headset if you choose to do so, like plugging it into like your PlayStation headphones, something like that. Now, this one is really cool because it has really easy to identify buttons. But on the flip side, you can actually see it has a very sleek design and very soft, comfortable earmuffs around around the sides. It does extend to adjust around your head, but in all, you get a really sharp product when you get both of these. So when you combine them together, you're going to get the range of the RTX 2.0, and then you're also going to get the really cool functions of the stealth headset. So once installed, you can see that the Miccus RTX 2.0 doesn't take up any space at all. You barely even know it's there. Now this is in my home theater system where I have a Bluetooth receiver, but it doesn't work because the range is really horrible, and this is going to extend that to 160 feet. It doesn't take up any space at all. Allows you to transmit and receive with the click of a button. So if you have a sound bar or something like that, you just press the button to transmit or receive, so you can receive sound from the TV, or you can transmit sound out to headsets. That's really cool. Excuse the mess, just had a fence installed, but I'm all the way over here in the corner of my yard, and the Miccus RTX 2.0 can change the channels from over here. This is basically what you want. Okay, so right now I have it in the receive mode, so I can transfer from, say, a cell phone anywhere in my whole entire house. So I can walk in my house and around my house, and I can still change the radio stations, and it's been able to achieve that. Now this is no lie, this is legit, I'm not lying. It can actually do this, and that is fantastic. So basically, if I have this much distance on the outside, I mean, and this is just where I want to be, I'm going to test how far I probably don't want to be to actually transmit and change the actual station. Sorry for the shaky camera action, but I'm actually out front, and I wanted to see if it was still going to stay connected. And yes, it is still connected. That's in front of my house, so I'm going to blur out my address though, but it's still connected. So I'm going to see how far I can go away while this thing is still connected. Using my wife's phone because, of course, I can't use my phone and record with my phone at the same time. And I'm not walking out here with a desktop PC. So, yeah, everyone's just going to have to deal. Now, I am in front of the neighbor house, and I will see if it's still connected. That is still connected. Okay, and continue to walk. Still connected. You're watching the concrete move as I'm, oh, there it is. How far until it starts to turn back on? Walking slowly now, so I can kind of get it as accurate as I possibly can. There it is. Okay. So now it's connected again. That is pretty far. And that's a really good connection. Which means if I walk linear directly across the street to the neighbor's house, it'll still work. So this is a pretty huge range. I mean, 160 feet, yes. It is 100% confirmed. It does work. It is legit. I've changed the channels. I've changed the radio I was listening to. Can't do that for copyright reasons, but yes, it does work, and it does stay connected with a far range. That is impressive, everybody. The RTX 2.0 is pretty good. So another thing I'm excited about is a transmit feature. Now this is going to allow you to transmit by just clicking the button, and you can switch it over to transmitting. So you can use it with the Bluetooth headset. Now when I use the Bluetooth headset, this is what I really need it for. I really need it for my bedroom. So our little bedroom, living room that we have up here is where I watch most of the anime that I watch at night. So I'll be up here lounging out while my wife is asleep behind me, and we sometimes bring like our newborn baby in there, and she'll be inside the crib, so I can use these headsets to actually play games and watch anime all night. Not bad. I know people want to ask me, yes, it's a 70-inch TV inside my master bedroom, but this is where I watch most of my anime at night, and I have a unit installed up here, and the sound works great. I told you guys it has some really long range. These products have some really impressive features. Now this is the Miccus RTX 2.0, and this one right here is the Miccus SR71 Stealth headphone set. Now these things combined are a powerhouse. They definitely replace the ones that I have inside of my bedroom, which is kind of a problem because I really enjoy watching anime, but I can't really do it because I wake everybody up in the whole entire house. So I really like to hear it loud. So this solves that problem for me and replaces my old Sony's. If you want to get your hands on a brand new Miccus RTX 2.0, all you have to do is go to Amazon.com. Link is in the description, and you can go to Miccus.com and Amazon to get the SR71 Stealth headphones as well. So these are really cool products. I'm very happy with them. Just give them a shot. You guys will not be disappointed. They are legit and they do actually work. Well, that's all the news I got for you guys right now. Like, subscribe, follow me on Twitch, Twitter, and Facebook so you know as soon as my news becomes available. Thank you guys for watching. God bless, and I'll holla at y'all later.